Let's see for the gold for today on the daily time frame. The analysis shows us that the price has dropped down. We can see that in the several days ago, all the way to 2329.13, and then the price has started to reverse back up, where we can see the currently price is at 2358.24. So this is a little bit bounce from this support 2329 up to the first resistance level where the price currently is. If we take a look in the past, what has happened when the price was rising up, and this is the case. In this case, when the price was rising up, this level where the currently price is a resistance, where the price has bounced from this resistance back down to the support. And in the second attempt, when the price has gone above, this was a bullish breakout, but it was invalidated with the second candle after that. And then after that, the price continued to rise in value. Here we can see that the price was acting as a good resistance when the price was dropping down. Now in the second attempt, when the price was going down, the price did not manage to go all the way to this resistance level, to 2358. From there the price continued to fall down even more. So in this case, it is similar scenario where the prices dropped significantly and then continued to fall down even more. In this case, in the past, this support level 2329 did not act as strong support when the price was dropping down, but in this case the price has formed a great support and currently it is pushing the price for the last 3 days to the upper side. Now in this case we can see that when the price was rising up, changing the direction, the price continued to rise all the way to the 2377.80 and then drop down again. So we can make a conclusion whenever the price comes from the bottom side, and that is currently the scenario, it is the same here. The price reverses back down, making some kind of a retrace and then continue to rise in value. In this case, it is a similar scenario where the price has dropped down to the first support level and then continue to rise in value. This is the only scenario currently, which is the second one here, when the price is dropping down significantly, where the price did not manage to bounce immediately. But in this case, the price has found a great support, which means the price has found a great demand zone where the buys are, and it's pushing the price even more higher. So currently how it looks right now, this could be potentially a bullish breakout on the daily time frame. So for any better conclusions, we should go to the lower time frame, which is a 4-hour time frame, which you can see here. The price is currently in the small uptrend, so we can see also what is the price is forming. So is the bullish breakout valid on the daily time frame? This is much visible on the 4-hour time frame. So for the daily analysis, I also share the details with the traders inside the Telegram group. You can see that here, where the details have been shown on the 1-hour time frame and also the 4-hour time frame. Yesterday I have shown with the traders how to make the analysis and also what are the levels for the price level when the price was going up here, from here, when the price reached it, and also when the price made a breakout to the downside, where is the target. Now in this case I have managed also to check when the price was rising up. We can see that here at 2355, and also what is the target when the price breaks above. So for any details for the daily intraday analysis, feel free to join here inside the Telegram group. You have also the details below in the description. So based on this, what we can see here right now is something that we should pay attention on the daily time frame and also intraday. So what is happening on the 4-hour time frame and also what is forming on the 1-hour time frame. So for much details, we need to put horizontal support and resistance levels and also supply demand zones. What kind of analysis we could make a conclusion, what could happen in today? It is based on this one, what we can see. Currently the price is forming some kind of a small bullish breakout with this candle. So we'll see what happens today with the next candle. Will the price confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one, or it will continue back down? For much more details, we can see here on the 4-hour time frame where the price has made a bullish breakout. We can see that here the price has gone above, but it has stopped on the next level where the price had problems, and that is 2364. Which has been explained here inside the Telegram group for the traders, what kind of resistance could be in front of the price. So for any details regarding the daily analysis, feel free to join the Telegram group. For the next analysis, we'll see on the weekend, on a Saturday, when I make the weekly analysis based on the daily, weekly and the monthly timeframes. So this is all for today. If you have any questions regarding the gold and what could be trading levels for the day, feel free to ask any questions inside the Telegram group. See you next time and happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!